Current AI tests are missing a critical piece of the puzzle. They focus on how a model performs on its own. They measure its ability to answer questions or write code in isolation. This is like judging a star athlete by only watching them practice alone. It ignores the most important part of the game. That game is teamwork. In the real world, performance is about collaboration, not vacuum work. The true measure of AI's value is not solo capability. It's how much it elevates the human using it. This is the metric that matters to businesses and society. Most popular benchmarks, like the MMLU or the bar exam, these tests are useful for tracking raw model progress, but they create a blind spot for leaders. They push a focus on replacing humans instead of augmenting them. The real opportunity? People supercharged by powerful tools. We must shift from a substitution mindset to a collaboration mindset. The evidence for human-AI synergy is already clear and compelling. Synergy means the whole is greater than the sum of its parts. A person and an AI working together can achieve results that neither could reach on their own. Our research provides concrete proof of this effect. We conducted experiments with skilled professionals, consultants, marketers performing complex writing tasks. The tasks were representative of real-world knowledge work. They were not simple trivia questions. We measured the quality of their output. We tested both with and without a state-of-the-art AI model. The results were striking, a significant performance jump across the board. In one study, workers using AI increased their average performance dramatically. For some tasks, we saw a boost of nearly 30 points on a 100-point scale. That is a massive gain in productivity and quality, a leap that normally takes years or decades. The gains were not evenly distributed. The lowest performing individuals improved the most. The AI acted as a great equalizer, helping them catch up to higher-skilled peers. AI can close skill gaps and boost broad workforce productivity. It lifts the floor more than it raises the ceiling. Another study showed a similar pattern, about a 23-point average lift. Where does the boost come from? The secret to effective human-AI collaboration is a psychological concept called theory of mind. In simple terms, this is the ability to understand the mental state of another entity. It means you can infer its beliefs. It means you can infer its intentions. It means you can infer its knowledge. When we work with other people, we use this skill constantly. We adjust our language based on what we think the other person knows. We anticipate their questions. We anticipate their reactions. People who are good at collaborating with AI apply this same skill to the machine. They build a mental model of the AI's capabilities and limitations. They try to guess what the AI knows and how it will likely respond. This skill translates directly into better performance. A user with a good theory of mind for AI does not just type a lazy question. They write a detailed prompt. They provide context. They define the desired format. They specify the persona the AI should adopt. They anticipate where the AI might get confused or hallucinate false information. Section 4. Building the Centaur. Workforce. Practical steps for companies to capture the human-AI advantage. Companies must take deliberate, practical steps. It starts with smart task selection. Not every task is a good candidate for AI collaboration. AI excels at work that involves brainstorming, summarizing, and transforming information. It is less suited for tasks that carry high risk, require deep empathy, or involve brand new strategic thinking. Leaders must create a clear framework for task allocation. Categorize work into human-only tasks, AI-assisted tasks, and human-in-the-loop automated tasks. This clarity prevents misuse and ensures AI is applied where it can create the most value. Next, focus on the interface. The design of the AI tool itself has a huge impact on the quality of collaboration. A simple chat window is not enough. The best interfaces help users build a better theory of mind. They should display the AI's confidence levels, make sources easy to see, allow rapid prompt edits and side-by-side comparisons, and suggest follow-up questions to guide an effective dialogue. Section 5. The Way Forward. Leadership for a Human-AI Future. The path to gaining real value from artificial intelligence is now clear. The focus must shift from the machine to the human-machine team. Leaders should abandon the horse race between people and AI. Instead, they must cultivate the skills and systems that foster productive partnership. The ultimate goal is not to build autonomous AI that replaces people. It is to create a workforce of centaurs, where every employee is augmented by powerful AI tools, enabling them to achieve superhuman levels of productivity and creativity. This requires a new playbook for management and a new vision for the future of work. Invest in continuous learning to build theory of mind for AI. Teach prompt engineering and critical evaluation. Design workflows and interfaces for collaboration, and implement flexible, risk-based governance that adapts as the world changes. By taking these concrete steps, leaders can move beyond the hype and build organizations that are truly smarter, faster, and more capable. The human-AI advantage is not a distant dream. It is a tangible reality, waiting for us to seize it.